Hey friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are checking out the Cnsl wireless car charger mount with auto clamping. This has wireless charging, RFID, intelligent chip for an object detection, compatible with most phones, 3 and 2/8 inch opening width, temperature protection, short circuit protection, and voltage protection. So this runs about $30 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out there if you want. And when I do the review, I'll also leave that link below if you want to see that. So first off, little warranty card, some instructions. Here we have a USB to USB-C cord. It's kind of in there on the bottom of the box. Come out of there. It's one of those sticky suction pads. I'm a big fan of these because they're like bulletproof as far as being for suction. So it's an extra one there. Let's see if I can get this out of here. There we go. All right, so first off, we have one of those awesome suction pads down here, which stick to just about anything, and then you tighten it down with a suction clamp there. Boom. Okay, this has an adjustable arm on there, so that's pretty much anywhere you want to go with that. And nice little adjuster. Locks it in place there. Okay, this I believe extends also. Just don't know how. Is there a button? I don't want to break it. Oh, you just pull it or push it in there, so it's got a little tension. It's not going to go anywhere. You don't need to loosen anything. That's pretty nice. And that gives you another 3 inches or so on that, so extend out your phone. So that's the base for the device. Also comes with a vent mounting clip. I don't really use these, but this one seems fairly sturdy as far as vent clips are. I'd prefer not to have stuff stuck in my vent though. I will be using the dashboard part. Now the part we've all been waiting for. There it is, my friends. So this features an RGB light strip that goes around it, which I will show you when I do my demonstration. The traditional attachment here, you know, with the ball and joint that goes around there. Boom. Put that on there, tighten this up just like that, and as tight as you want it. It's not going to go anywhere, and that'll give you some nice lock it in place there. So this one, I believe, okay, well, I'll have to do that when I do the demonstration, but it has a sensor right here. I'll show you there right in front of my finger, which will open it up when it senses the phone coming close, which is really cool. This does wireless charging, and it's supposed to have the QI fast charging capability as well. So pretty sweet looking little device here. I will be doing a demonstration, actually go hook this up in my car, charge my phone on it and everything like that, and show you guys how it works. I'll leave that link in the description below. You guys can check it out there if you want to. So thanks for watching this unboxing portion, or unboxing video. I will see you guys soon. Everyone have a great day out there, and take care.